sad sa kan sa tubig no. Asa kayo may mga view sa kilid. Buffalo jerky. Hindi nga dalan oy. Kuan kayo. Pwede dyan ko mag-drive ko. Inaani lang ang daan kay wako'y kontra. Charot.
Mana mga kasagarang walay pa sa Pilipinas, walay driving experience. Nya ari po yung New Mexico ay makatuon ay.
Makatun.
Ako kasagarang ako makauban mga babae.
Kita mahadlok pa magkinaunsa kay di man ta mahulog. Nara man gighapon.
Skilly dress dan. Lagi.
Inaani lang praktisan gani.
Agoy murag makakuan na gyud kuan eh. Uy. Daghan kaayo. Siyempre tanong-tanong sa kilid. Cactus na.
Nara gyud
Tanong-tanong.
pag-arrange diri kapag tan.
Lagi.
Organize kay.
Murag kuan kay sila. Hala. Tug na sa Destilma. Tug na sa ang gwapa. Kay man na siya entry.
Kumana ni mapinaninanay-nanis ka na picture to, tapos ko picture ko mo.
Ansa siya tanawon, dili jud siya makuha sa kung maong cellphone. Ay murag dako kay siya.
Uy, diri gid ang four corners.
Dire. Tingog lang ito.
Ano, beach.
Aman. Page, okay.
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto US 89 South.
US and the roundabout, US 89 South. Makita na niya. Na siya yung mga... Okay. May Burger King din. Hala, wait. Yagit na rin kanina? Wala, no. Burger King South. US 89 South. Ano ni?
For about 68 kilometers, continue straight.
Straight na daw siya. Conoco. Kainit, girl. The views and opinions. Ayan. Choco. Ano na mga balay-balay ito.
Nabaho ni.
Nabaho na ni? So, sa man ni Nabaho? New Mexico na ta?
Nabaho Nation.
Aw. Talay daw inaani ang view. Looy di beach na kita lagi ko sa lao. Dito kita na mag-blackout na. Pero ni kagabi yan, ngit-ngit sa siguro kayo ni
Mitsigay.
Hadlok sad ka. That's very nice. Very big ilang houses. Oh, layo kayo ilang mga silingan. Masyak sa siguro ka no, gikan ka sa Pilipinas ba niya. Ang imuhang maban na taga dinhi. Dadun ka diri. Hoy, kalayo ba ani kabukit.
Tutag Amerika.
Tutag
Los
Amerika.
Angeles.
Really?
Pagpunay ka diri sa pagunahon ko diri sa akong rinyuan.
Sa may buhaton diri. Oh. Ano pa na? Saan na community good? Nice ang ilang houses. Here. Tutre, kinsay na una. Unag tuyo. Right.
In 2 kilometers, turn left onto
Continue
Townsend
on
Road.
Cookfield Road for 1 mile.
Nail lang kay 13. Ang kuan under yung speed limit is 35 ya.
Pila?
35. 4 p.m. and we are here at Mitchell Crater Visitor Center. Okay. Nakalimot ko sa ko ang
Wala
kuan.
ta naka-aretol?
Wala pa siya nakare?
Wala.
First time. Eh. Oh.
Pwede isa-isa.
Ano sa man?
Yung sa my car daw, yun yung
$50 here in Mitchell Crater. So, ano yung mga guided tour siguro? Go there, go there, go there. Your journey to the past and Crater admissions, Winslow, Arizona. It's $29 the eye. Be. The Mitchell Crater. Ah. Tilma. Saan sila? Follow astronauts at Mitchell Crater.
Bright, gigihapon ni.
Lagi mo rin sa Griffith. This is the Griffith. Guided rim tours. Collision, you can help save the earth. Nangyay sa tanan? Lain ako baho dito sa kuan.
Sa?
Dito sa katong dapat sa CR. Apollo 11 model of lunar lander. Oh. Hindi mga picture. Wow. Saturn 5. Ito na. Okay. Major. To the guided tour. We are going to the guided tour. Ah. Ha? Asa dira mo na na meteorite? Oh, ang kuna ko ni. This is a meteorite. You will. Oh, so the collision and impact of. Watch, that's the meteor, and that's the friends.
Yeah, it's magnetic. Alright, so it's the bottom of the crater, as well as a few other odd jobs around here. On his way in through Diablo's Canyon after a heavy rainfall, a piece of this is actually sticking out of the ground. He thought it'd be spun if he just dusted off, throw it in the saddlebag. Sure, we got here. I want to see the horse in the saddlebag.
So what happened?
You can't do that when you can try the little one up here.
What happened? That's the real deal. That's the real meteor, guys. Oh, so you're here, the meteor guys. Yeah. Okay. We're going. It's a 45-minute commitment. Once we're there, that's there. Okay, thank you so much. Asa naman si Tilma? Oh. Masayantis yun ni. Badge. Dara. Dara na crater. My God. That is so big. Picture na ka day? A picture na ka diha.
Picture ta ko din.
That's a major crater. Oh my god. Super dako.
Stricto ra ba ilang kuan?
Makapiso ka.
Ready? Wow, hala, andit ka dahil. Wapak.
50 feet. So from one museum to the other end, diameter at the size of the RV parking lot there behind you guys. Travel about 27,000 miles per hour, weighing 300,000 metric tons, hitting with the equivalency of a 20 megaton bomb. To give you an idea how much TNT you need to create the crater, get you a rail car, fill it to the brim with dynamite, and then continue this process till your train went from New York, to Los Angeles, California, and then light all of it at once. That would have been the explosive force which took to create the crater. On impact, it was 1,400 feet deep. Shortly after debris settled back in, 750. And over the last 200 years, due to wind erosion, human interaction, and mines occurred at the bottom, another 200 feet to fill it in. Current depth, 550 feet. Except our high point over there, which is called Behringer's Point, which brings it up to 650. The majority of it is 550 feet deep. It is 2.5 miles in circumference. And from the north corner to the south corner is almost a mile. And from the east corner to the west corner is a mile. I say corner to corner because our crater is that of a square shape instead of a circle. The reason why, the meteorite happened to smack on two intersecting fissure lines, similar to fault lines just close to the surface. Because of this, it shocked that square shape. The devastation is caused, anything within 15 miles was instantly turned into dust. 30 miles out, you were getting hit with the highest levels of wind filled with molten rock and metal. 40 miles out, you can see a mushroom cloud that was 7 miles high. This is the world's biggest fireworks show no one ever saw.
Oh.
So the crater's historical document is being discovered in 1871 by a scout sent out by the U.S. Army to look for a route for the Pacific to Atlantic Railroad. Now it's known as Pacific Western Railroad. When it got out here, he reported back to commanding officers he had found this massive crater. Their reply, you're delusional for too much time in desert heat. There's no way something that massive has not been found until now. They didn't even submit verify his claim. They put an X on the map and marked it named after him, giving Meteor Crater its first and original name, Franklin's Hole.
Franklin's.
We're gonna be talking about 1891 when the U.S. Geologist Service, they came.
Naguna. Naguna. Alay.
Sila ganding.
Wala, uy.
You guys want to move down a little bit more, make room for everybody? Feel free. Double up by school photos. Don't know somebody.
Guided tour. Okay. Oh, video kay nagbiya cruises mi diri.
Right here. It's
Lalo
called
pa pala.
Third station na nito.
Third station.
The
Third-
importance actual Apollo was here training. Let us all your present entire suit from boot to helmet. Hiking all the way there, you did too.
Minaminaw sila.
Kasi may purpose sa salty ni Mana. Hindi mo gyapon pagbato sa
All of these terrapin rocks. At that point, listen to NASA.
No? Kira na, uy.
Because
Information.
of that, they made the spacesuit stronger. All the pitting you see on this is caused by the heat trying to escape shortly after impact. Scientists say the rocks got to about 1,200 degrees Celsius. At those temperatures, if you were able to have this material, could have mold like hot plastic or turn out your finger, whatever you wanted. Right now, it's a big chunk of limestone. Stick this underneath the continent for a couple thousand years. But some have that white coat on the outside. That white coat is the coconino sandstone from the bottom of the crater. When it got heated up and pulverized, it landed the rocks and adhered to them like a mold. The really cool part about it is, NASA's recreate lab for one purpose, to coat the outside space tiles for entry. That's how good it gets heat resistance. If you guys rub with the force, it feel your fingertips have fine texture, so they're bay powder. Again, the crystals here and right here. All the white stuff there is bird poop, so be careful. Do I have any questions? It's been about 65 million years with the erosion, so it kind of has filled in, but it would impress you back then. Now, this is my favorite part tour, story time. I guess I have two fun stories, one fun fact, run back inside, unless you guys have questions or want your picture taken. So earlier, you guys heard me say a helicopter wouldn't land in here. This is the reason why. Due to an incident on August 8th of 1964, most pilots won't even attempt it. On that day, a Cessna was being delivered from Phoenix to Flagstaff. Pilots had to refill in Winslow. Right, they refilled, took off, they realized the crater wasn't too far off their course. So they took a detour and fly right over the crater.
So that's the crater. We're going now. We're done. Okay, going back na. Na ang tour. Sa crater. Ito yung view. Crater is so big. Yeah. Look. It's so big. Oh. Balik namin ito. Kapoy.
There's a blast zone. Okay.
Last zone. Where? This is the book. It's an alien gravity flow. Where are they? Asan sila? Space. Saan sila? Uy. They made sure creator. What's it, a pit? A crater. Siya. Hoy, asa mo? Hoy, asa mo? Di sa mo, isa mo. Okay, that's the crater. Discovery Center. Crater, that's the... Let's go, let's go, let's go! Unsa? Keep right. Ay, sila is... Dito matutulog. Di kasi.
Nagkalat talaga yung ano niya.
Nampa may mga... Hala, dito sa katungkuan, day, sa Griffith. Thank you. Hala ka, nice ko dira. Because. Nah. Crater Museum Restaurant. Yeah.
Group picture na tayo.
Group picture na tayo, saman. Siya sa daw. Nice siya sa dirisa. Oh, it's a... Parang, ano kasi, picture frame.
Okay na. Next time.
Frame. Pero, window lagi na siya. Thank you. Yara. Adi. Astronaut training. Okay, boiler plate. Sige, goodbye to our next destination.
Sana tanong nila ang pinabantay para makita yung ano, sigarilyo lang ang gastos.
Bye, bye. sunset. Alright. Sa
But it's gonna on.
but against the lights. Keep right. Sitting, meet your creator. Alright. Hoy, murag mangihis ako daan. What sa kadiyot mangihi ko? 5. Time check. It's 5:13 and we are leaving the Meteor Crater. So na kuan jud mi atong 45 minutes no na. Nice naman po ang story. So unsa may inyong mong na-learn na to dong?
Wala kita ko na learn.
Mga ki.
Ang ako lang bagong na-learn ato is na aday nagbantay nga astronaut sa crater. At bottom of the crater.
Nga nakita ni Tilma nga ingon siya nga naday tao dito sa
There's
ubos.
something
There's something there.
in there.
Nanukani ka farsighted akong mata.
Yeah. Kamo jud pinakalangas.
Hindi, sa klase, tinagyo na yung mga banlungon.
Kami
So,
wala
kami
dito.
Kamo jud.
Kami ang representative.
representative sa ako niya, naabi ato ka ng first honor dito man. Nasmagid siya, kaya inadyo ka ato sa kapangan. Marasyag ka nang siya ang kanang
Anak sa tasunod dai.
manguan sa kanang leader sa pangaji ba? Nanagtan.
So, lesson learned. Kuan ginay no. Basta guided tour. Say no to guided tour. Pero nakasunod naman good ta good. Yung mahal sa itong gibayaran. Ato na lang itong ikuan. Charge to experience. Pero na ko na-learn adto.
Yeah, if you have una ka na-learn pa sa kay kami. Ako na-learn kamay. Prediction and I was not able to learn all of
Anything?
it. No?
Dili sa itong mag-grasp tanan niya yung bisinti kay
Oy, na ko nadunggan. Lagi nadunggan na sa bata ba kay kita na siya siyang mama na kung kuan ba na ba daw siya did you nang kita na yung mama did you get all of it? Yeah. Ano yung mama a little bit. And siya I get all of it.
Sana all.
Ay, mura magsagatong asa ka ni adto sa kuan. Ako kay nadto ko US. Nadto ko tanan. So, oh my god. So akong na-learn na to guys kay ang crater daw sa una kay abi nila og volcanic kuan siya, volcanic crater. So later sa through studies and all is na figure out nila nga dili dayto siya volcanic crater but a meteorite crater. And then nasa time na ang nagkuan adto is nagduha ka family na limot ko sa to ilang apelyido but they own the lands all across the crater. So mao na nagbuhat silang museum para ilang sila ang nagkuan, sila ang nag-collect. But nakalimot ko if sila pa ba'y nag-collect na ron. Basta in the 1850s man din to. And then ay mga ano dito sa rocks kay na siya through those rocks kay na find out nila na paano yun to meteorite crater. Kunya na ko'y pangutana from the start kay di ba gamay raman to ang bato akong ipakita. Dayon nagwonder ko kay 3,000 tons man daw to so asang uban. Ang nahitabo di ay kay base ako nga dunggan dito dili ko sure ani ako pa ni research kay basin maingnan to sa kung bana nasayop ako information so disclaimer pero kapoy na jud ko later na lang tanaw na to sa view okay good kay kapoy ma bright agay so mo ni ang view 2 hours to 2 hours and 16 minutes to our next destination. Oh my god! Oh! Very nice kayo ang sunset. You see, it's the winter sunset. Na siya ang view. Mas ano ang colors when it's winter. Kay na ay mga kuat. Alala! There's a baka dito. Mga black kayo na skilled. Nice kayo ginaan ang view, no? God. Cargo train para dili gyud makuan dili maano ang mga cargo malait ang cargo lagi sila specialized nga ilahara 6:54 and we are in New Mexico. So,
Welcome to the state of New Mexico.
welcome to the state of New Mexico. Oh, yeah, look at that, sa dollar. Kaya the gallop is 20 New Mexico.
Signage.
Gallup, New Mexico. Exit 20. We're in Gallup. It's 7:09. We're looking for the Walmart. US 491 NM 602. Something like NM 602 New Mexico City to US 491.
Okay lang siguro.
Walmart, Carl's Jr.
Punta tayo dito magpagas tapos ubos na ang gas natin pa uwi.
Barato ra ang gas diri. Walmart, Gallup, New Mexico. CR for CR. Walmart. Where are they? Isda. Uy, water. Da pala kasult ma. Water.
Tubig. Uy.
Oh yeah.
Ang dinner ay ang lunch natin na ulam. Yung
Usually, dili mo kayo mag-breakfast.
Oh. Mag. Yay, this is Tohatchi Walmart.
Oo nga.
Hala, kadagko sa ilang kamote. Pwede mag-take out anis Pilipinas, dagko kayong kamote. Tag 97 cents lang. Very big kamote. 86 cents na cabbage green. 96 cents na onion. Lo. Hoy, kadagko ani lang.
So, dili ko mag-on, dili ko mag-umpra.
Lami kayo dong tanawa ko ng kamote.
Tana. Video ka, babe. So
Alibe.
guys, dili ko mag-umpra guys for 4 years.
For you. Doon ba sa may pagpalit ng kamote atong kuanan. Mo. Tugnaw na. Look, nice. Are we good? We good. Okay. Ada kan water. All right. Oh. Okay. Oh. Check out to counter. May klaro ni mo eh. Nindot dito ang kuan day. Nindot ilahang ang ilang kamote very barato, pila ra ka cents. Nya dagko pag yung kayo.
Wait, per pound that day.
This is kuan sa pangalan ni dito Gallup, City of Gallup are maglag si Gilbert Ramos sa una. From 2019 to 2023. Ito ba?
Yes.
Okay. So, na KFC diri. Mapa siya kaon dira sa mga KFC. Alright. So, na Jiffy Lube. Plates.
Dara mi mag-buffet.
Asa na yung buffet diri? Buffet. So, na King Dragon. Ano sa mga buffet? Para sa itong buffet sa Ibachi?
Oo.
King Dragon Buffet. Big Sun. This is we are 30 minutes away from Tohatchi. Okay. Na po tayo. It's 8 p.m. and we are in Tohatchi, New Mexico. Gonna spend our night here overnight. Bye, Tohatchi. Aka na? Susud yun sa... Ay, ka na, man yung school?
Elementary na.
Malapit na pala ang school ni sir sa bahay.
Mm.
Balay kay staff mo nagpuyo.
That was school ni sir. 4 years daw siya dito.
Sir, anong place po to?
Tuhachi.
Tuhachi, New Mexico.
Gallup McKinley County School District.
Tuhachi, New Mexico.
Kanang kuan ka na kaning solar na.
Solar na kanang kuan.
Ito
Oh.
yung school.
Nice.
Kaya mo na akong classroom ay kana.
Kasa? Nagsiga?
Oh, New Mexico to.
Ah,
Ay, Tuhachi to.
Yan bago lang ang building sa high school.
na high school to.
Reservation man to. Di ba sir?
Reservation.
Reservation. So mga ano talaga. Mga pure Americans.
Native Americans.
Native Americans. Hindi katulad sa atin. Amin ang itim.
Mga migrants.
Oh.
Maraming big white.
Hindi nagpuyo si Daryl sa nato isul.
Eh.
lang ta, asa mo to?
Hi, hi, hi. Nagkala ka din ba? Oh, dako dyan. It's 4:47 a.m. here in Tuhachi, New Mexico. Mata na. Thank you sa amo cooking team. Mana mo ligo? Ay, tapos na kayo ligo, Jo, kagabi? Okay. Si Telma tulog pa. Dito kami natulog. Dito dinhin ko natulog. I like it kay very kuan. Halma kay akong body. Si Telma dara. Oh. There. Good morning. Morning. Oh, si Gilbert diri. Ari ta may matug naman siya diri. It's the second room. And the CR. Very nice house. Kani diri yung mga kuan. So, mga ani. Dresser. Okay. Very neat pas gawas. Asa man to? Since it's still hindi mo ka-bomb obli. Ay. There you go. Tapos tugnaw gihapon kaayo guys. Taghan tag sanina gihapon ani. Yeah, this is my look for today. So 3 layers. Ani 2 layers lang. Huwag na pa ni mga coats later. It's 6:14 a.m. here. It's 9:14 p.m. in the Philippines. And we are ready to go. Kinsa ning tubig diri kuan ni. Kung dili ni need may baon.
Uy, sir, inubos na natin.
Oh,
That's fine.
buo-buo.
Raman na.
Okay. Ready na si Joe at si Michael at saka si Joanne. Jones, no? Si Joanna. Ayla. Oy, video raman to eh. Kuha naman eh. Last
meron
ano.
kaming baon na sandwich.
Nagsa-sandwich. Ayan. Hala nung ka na nung last check. And then this one. We're done with washing. Ikang talo na. Lagi. Check sa nako kung dong okay na ning room dong pag mo na ni nako ang kuan. So it's clean already. Clean. Thank you so much, Tita, for letting us stay here. And here, I'm gonna check here. Okay. This is good. Alright. Okay, thank you so much. This one. Here. Okay. Ayan. Okay. It's clean. Thank you so much. Tita, we put the stuffs here. Di na mag-ibutang. Ayan. Okay. We're ready and go.